The 2026 Maserati Levante Trofeo isn't just an SUV, it's Italian automotive artistry, where raw performance meets luxury. Beneath the sculpted hood beats a Ferrari-bred heart, a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V8 unleashing 590 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 vanishes in 3.8 seconds, while 187 miles per hour top speed makes highways feel like runways. This isn't just power, this is automotive passion distilled. The 8-speed ZF transmission conducts a mechanical orchestra. Sport mode delivers lightning shifts, while Corsa mode transforms this stallion into a track-devouring predator with surgical precision. Maserati's Q4 system reads roads like a racing driver's mind, splitting torque instantly between axles. It preserves intoxicating rear-drive character while deploying all-wheel grip when physics demands more. Adaptive skyhook suspension thinks faster than human reflexes, morphing from silk-smooth tourer to razor-sharp weapon instantly. Every bump becomes irrelevant, every corner an invitation. Brembo racing-bred brakes with massive rotors provide fade-resistant control, separating confidence from catastrophe at any speed. Visual drama matches mechanical prowess. The iconic Trident grille commands respect, while carbon fiber whispers performance secrets. 21-inch forged wheels shed weight where it matters most. The exhaust symphony deserves ovation. From cultured whisper to spine-tingling roar, this is automotive music stirring souls without artificial enhancement. Pure V8 emotion flows through every note. Inside, Italian craftsmanship embraces, with hand-stitched leather, carbon artistry, and aluminum precision. The steering wheel becomes your neural connection to 590 horses, while paddle shifters provide ultimate control. Technology integrates seamlessly without overwhelming pure driving experience. High-resolution displays show performance data and connectivity, keeping you connected during spirited drives. Safety systems operate transparently, providing protection without intruding. Track days? Most systems adjust for maximum engagement. This isn't transportation, it's transformation. Every drive celebrates Italian passion, refusing limitations. The Trofeo doesn't just move bodies, it moves spirits through every twist. 97 years of racing heritage flows through every component. This isn't marketing. It's authentic DNA earned on racetracks worldwide. The Trofeo proves choosing SUVs doesn't abandon dreams. Through obsessive engineering, Maserati created something extraordinary, satisfying practicality while igniting emotional fires. Weather becomes irrelevant thanks to intelligent systems. Mountain passes transform into personal racetracks, while commutes become anticipated adventures. This represents more than luxury SUV competition. This is pure Maserati magic, where Italian soul meets precision.